Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. January 25, 2025, Saturday racing karera sa araw ng Sabado. Starting time ng karera 3 p.m. Meron tayong 7 races. All 7 races to be run in 1,400 meter distance. Congratulations sa mga nagtiwala at inasahan ng ating mga cool choices. Congratulations, ano man ang inyong tinamahan, double, extra double, DD plus 1, winner take all, pick 6, pick 5, at iba pa. Sa winner take all, kung kukunin ang lahat ng ating tip, 576. Pero yung mga pwedeng suluhin, katulad ng mga kursonada ninyo, Alibaba ay magiging 288. Catalytic, Sinolo ay magiging 144. Muli, congratulations sa lahat ng mga tumama. At kung sakali naman, baka naman, gusto nyong magbalato sa akin, mag-message lang po at para masabi ko kung paano. Congratulations muli sa inyong lahat. Sa race number 4, first choice. Number 5, B, Smart. Humble observation, baka maka-sorpresa.
Be Smart is running by the land down to the finish. Be Smart, Mount Pia Payungan. It's now Be Smart, Mr. Manilenial, a long shot. Be Smart, Mr. Manilenial, and finally Be Smart, Mr. Manilenial, Mount Pia Payungan.
Umpisahan po natin ang ating mga cool tips. Race number 1, first choice, number 8, Golden Diet. Second choice, coupled entry, 5 AM Espresso. 5A, Blue Bubble. Third choice, number 11, Enough is Enough. Race 2, first choice, number 4, The Kiss. Second choice, number 2, Anyo, 96. Third choice, number 9, Glamour Girl. First and only choice, number 5, Kalangaman Island. Race 4, first choice, number 3, Magnum Force. Second choice, number 6, Golden Charaywa. Race 5, first choice natin, number 5, Golden Charger. Second choice, number 4, Sampaloc Pride. Third choice, number 8, Bohemian. Race 6, ang ating pong cool first choice, number 10, Give Me a Break. Second choice, number 2, Dugong Bughaw. Third choice, number 1, Aliana. Race 7, last race. First choice, number 10, Polite Bell. Second choice, number 7, Captain Bob. Yun po namang ating pahiyang, yung balato kung sakali ay pampabuenas, pampaswerte sa ating mga cool choices kung sakali lang po. Thank you. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!